Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maqbool Al-Maimouni. I'm from Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. I have service and repairing center in Riyadh, but we were not able to do advanced level repairing like iPhone and latest Android repair. Then we look for a training center where we can learn experience after through searching and query. We come to know about CASGA technologists in India, in Delhi. They expert in Android phone and iPhone phone. We have learned a lot of from CASGA. Now we can fix Apple product till iPhone X. Thanks a lot CASGA for teaching us. Thank very good for very much for support us.